Across India, millions of people face a serious gap in digital and AI skills. On one hand, are students who need future ready skills to succeed in their careers. On the other hand, are middle aged learners who fear losing their jobs due to AI automation but don't have time or resources to upskill themselves. Both groups are at a risk of being left behind in this AI driven world. This is the problem Skillbora AI is addressing, making digital and AI skills simple, accessible, and practical for everyone. Now let us move on to the main product, Skillbora AI. This is the product website for the venture. This is the homepage which welcomes the new learners to the platform. Once they click on sign up, they can either sign up with Google or by manually entering their email account. For instance, I have signed up over here with my Google account. Let's move on to the main integral feature of the website, which is for the middle-aged learners. For example, let's have the Google Sheets basics, and we are given a table to which we have to find the sum as well as the average. So it starts with the very basic skills. Once we are done acquiring the basic digital skill, we are asked to solve a quiz which is generated by AI. Once I answer all the questions, I see a success message which states that I have successfully finished the capsule. When I click on continue, then I can continue to grasp more and more skills. This is the AI tools section, under which there are primarily two tools, quiz generator and the idea generator. The quiz generator section asks me to enter the name of any skill. So let's enter poster designing. Once I've entered the skill name, you have to click on generate quiz. Then Skillbora AI integrates Copilot to build the quiz. Let's wait for Copilot to prepare the quiz. Okay, now we do have the quiz. There are 10 questions which are in the quiz. Once you answer all the questions, you can see your total score at the last as well as the improvements to be made. Next feature is the idea generator. Let's take a few suggested prompts to explain this. If I take the prompt design a Skillbora AI powered learning guide for busy people with only an hour in the day. It presents me 5 skills which I can acquire. Okay, we have those 5 skills according to the tool mentioned. Once you're done noting all the skills, then you can click on generate a detailed 7-day plan with more details on the goal, the task, how to accomplish it, as well as a special tip by Skillbora AI. Now, this is the self-learning guide section, which consists of several tutorials in the form of presentations and are detailed and enable hands-on practice. If we click AI-powered animated videos, we see a presentation with detailed steps on how to create an AI-powered animation video. This is the resources page, which consists of a lot of resources related to digital skills. For example, if I click on games, I see 2 games. First is the poster game and the next is the blog game. The user can also fill these to have a more better understanding about the skills. So that was all for my AI powered product. Several digital tools were used in the creation of Skillbora AI. Idea Generator and the chatbot Bora AI were powered by Gemini API. The quiz generator was powered by Copilot. The resources, which were AI powered too, were from multiple platforms, including Lovable, Hugging Face, and other AI writing tools. Visuals were powered by ChatGPT's image generator. The sign up and login storage base was from Firebase SDK, and the website development was from JavaScript, Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and other tools. The SDGs which are aligned to the solution are SDG 4 quality education, SDG 8 decent work and economic growth, and SDG 10 reduced inequalities. That was all for my pitch video. I hope you liked it.